Okay, let's continue with exercise 7.2. We have reached question 34. So, I is equal to integral. Now, this we were doing this exercise by the method of substitution. Some substitution we were doing for easy simplification. Now here, in order, I want to substitute this root of tan x as or tan x as t. So if tan was supposed to be taken t, my differentiation would lead me to sec square, which I don't have it in my terms over here. So what I do is, in my denominator, I have sin x, then I have cos x. What I am going to do is multiply and divide by cos x in the denominator. So what did I do? I multiplied by cos x, I divided by cos x in my denominator. So further it becomes integral, and I have under root of tan of x and dx, and this term in the denominator, sin upon cos, is going to give me tan. So I'll write it as sin upon cos as tan, and this cos into cos, I'll write it as cos squared of x. In my next step, what I do is integral this under root of tan x. This means tan of x to the power half, and denominator I have tan of x, nothing means power is 1. Then 1 upon cos squared, which I have, I can write it as sec squared x and dx. So further it becomes integral, I can write tan of x, this power is half, and plus 1 from the denominator goes up, so it becomes minus 1. Half minus 1. Half minus 1 is going to be minus half. So I have tan of x to the power minus half and into sec squared x dx. So this is my term. So now I undergo a substitution. So I say put tan of x is equal to t. So what would this simplify further as? Differentiate tan x. So that gives me sec squared x into dx, and that is equals to dt. So my question further appears as integral t raised to, this tan of x I have taken it as t. So t raised to minus half, and sec squared x dx I have taken it as according to this as dt. So that is t raised to minus half into dt. I know if I integrate, power increases by 1. So t raised to minus half, you add 1. So t raised to minus half and plus 1. So that will become plus half and upon the same power and plus c. This denominator ka denominator, so 2 goes to the numerator, and t raised to half. Anything raised to half I can write it as under root, okay? Because power half means under root. And t, the value of t was what? The value of t was tan x. So I resubstitute the value of that as, and therefore I get my answer 2 root of tan x and plus c. Let's move to the next question. I have I is equal to integral 1 plus log x ka whole square. So here it appears very simple. I'll say let 1 plus log of x is equal to the term t. Differentiation of 1 is 0. And what is differentiation of log x? D by dx of log x is 1 upon x. So 1 upon x into dx is equal to dt. So my question I is going to appear as integral. This 1 plus log x, I have taken it as t. 1 plus log x, I have taken it as t. So this t and 1 plus log x ka square tha, so it is t square. And 1 upon x and dx, this 1 upon x dx is going to be dt. So my question is now going to look like this. Very simple. I know integrating increases the power by 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So that is t cube upon 3 and plus c. So now I have it as 1 upon 3 t. I'll resubstitute the value of t, which was 1 plus log of x to the whole power 3 and plus the constant of integration c. So now let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. So that is integral. I have here 1 plus x, and into bracket I have x plus log x the whole square and upon x. My eye-catching term is this. I can substitute for this, but for that I have to first rearrange my terms here. So what I do, this x plus log of x the whole square, I don't do anything to this term, whereas the other term, which was x plus 1 upon x, it was x plus 1 upon x. This x in the denominator, I separate the denominator to both these terms. So x upon x and 1 upon x and into dx. So therefore it appears like this: integral x plus log of x the whole square, and x plus x upon x is going to be 1 and plus 1 upon x and into dx. So now I go for my substitution. I say put x plus log of x as the term t. Put x plus log x as t. Differentiation of x, d by dx of x is 1 plus d by dx of log x is 1 upon x. This whole thing into dx is equals to dt. So let me go back to my question. So I have I is equal to integral. This x plus log x ko I have told it as t, and that bracket was having a square, so t square. Then 1 plus 1 upon x dx, according to this it is going to become dt. So therefore I now have it as integral t square. I know integration means increase the power by 1. So t raised to 3 upon the same power 3 and plus c. But my original question did not have t. So I have to resubstitute my value of t, and I have taken x plus log of x. I had taken x plus log of x as t. So instead of t, I wrote the value of t, that is the power 3 and the whole upon 3 and plus c. This ends with my exercise over here, and this is your answer. So let's go for the next exercise and meet in the next exercise in the next session.